Are you wondering which tool is better for your projects? Today, we'll compare Vite and Webpack. Both Vite and Webpack help developers build modern web applications. They bundle your code and manage dependencies, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Vite. Vite is known for its speed. It uses native ES modules, which means it serves files directly to the browser. This leads to fast refresh times during development. Vite is also easy to set up. You can get started quickly with minimal configuration. Now, let's talk about Webpack. Webpack is a more traditional tool. It has been around longer and is widely used. Webpack bundles your files into one or a few output files. This can be great for production, but it might take longer to set up. It offers many plugins and loaders, making it very flexible. So, what are the key differences? Vite is faster in development mode, while Webpack is more established and has lots of features. Vite focuses on speed while Webpack focuses on customization. When it comes to features, Vite offers hot module replacement out of the box. This means your changes appear instantly in the browser. Webpack also supports this, but it requires more setup. Vite is simpler for smaller projects, while Webpack shines in larger applications with complex needs. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use. They are open source, which means you can use them without any cost. So, who should choose what? If you want a quick setup and fast development, go for Vite. If you need deep customization and are working on a large project, Webpack might be the better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.